If you're watching this and you've noticed your hands going numb, if your legs feel weak, shaky, or unsteady, or if getting up from a chair takes more effort than it used to, we're not alone. And more importantly, you are not broken. For many people over 60, these changes don't happen overnight. They creep in slowly. First, it's a little stiffness in the morning, then a bit of tingling in the fingers. Then one day you notice your balance isn't what it used to be. Most people assume this is just aging, but in many cases, it's actually your body asking for specific nutrients, especially collagen and the vitamins that help your body use it. After age 60, collagen production drops sharply. Some studies show we lose up to 30% of our collagen by age 65, and collagen IS&T, just for skin, forms the structure of joints, cartilage, tendons, muscles, nerve coverings when collagen levels fall. Nerves can misfire, joints can feel unstable, and muscles may lose strength. The good news? Your body can still rebuild when you give it the right foods. Today, I'll walk you through 8 collagen-supporting snacks. These aren't complicated meals. They're simple, enjoyable, and gentle on digestion. Each one supports your joints, nerves, and muscles in a slightly different way. Think of this video as a toolbox. You don't need to use everything at once. Even one small change can start helping your body feel steadier, stronger, and more comfortable again. Why collagen matters after 60? Before we get into the snacks, let's quickly talk about why collagen matters so much at this stage of life. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It acts like scaffolding, holding everything together. In your joints, it cushions movement. Around your nerves, it protects signaling pathways. In muscles, it supports strength and coordination. As we age, collagen production slows, vitamin C absorption decreases, inflammation increases, muscle mass naturally declines. This combination can lead to tingling or numbness in hands and feet, weak or shaky legs, joint stiffness and reduced range of motion. Food can't stop aging, but it can slow damage and support repair. Now let's get into the snacks. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. So let's start with something that surprises people. Chocolate. Not candy bars, not milk chocolate. Real dark chocolate, 270 to 85% cacao. Dark chocolate is rich in powerful plant compounds called flavonols. These compounds help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, protect collagen from breakdown. According to research published in the Journal of Nutrition, cacao flavonols help preserve connective tissue integrity and reduce inflammation. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery to nerves and muscles, which can ease tingling and weakness. When you combine dark chocolate with almonds, you add amino acids your body uses to rebuild collagen. Add goji berries, and you supply vitamin C, which activates collagen production. This snack feels indulgent, but it quietly supports joint comfort, nerve signaling, circulation. Eat it slowly, let it melt, enjoy it. Healing doesn't have to feel like punishment. Gelatin fruit. Nibbles gelatin may not look exciting, but your body loves it. Gelatin is essentially collagen that's already broken down. That means your body doesn't have to work as hard to use it. Gelatin contains glycine and proline, 2 amino acids especially important for joint repair, tendon strength, nerve calming. Some studies show people who consume gelatin regularly experience less joint pain and better mobility. Especially when combined with vitamin C, this snack is gentle, easy to chew, easy to digest. Perfect if your appetite isn't what it used to be. Many people notice that over time stiffness eases and movement feels smoother. Chicken bone broth, Bites bone broth, has been used for centuries for a reason. When chicken bones simmer slowly, they release collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin minerals that support nerves and muscles. Bone broth is especially helpful if your legs feel weak, your joints crack or ache, you feel stiff after sitting. This is nourishment, not medicine. It works gently over time. Many people notice better mobility, less morning stiffness, and even improved sleep because glycine supports relaxation. Cantaloupe mint bites. Here's something many people don't realize. Without vitamin C, your body cannot make collagen, no matter how much protein you eat. Cantaloupe provides vitamin C, hydration, and natural sweetness. It's easy to chew and soothing for digestion. Mint helps reduce inflammation and supports digestion. Pistachios add healthy fats that help your body absorb nutrients. This snack supports collagen production while keeping you hydrated, which is essential for joint lubrication. Tomato caprese snack. Tomatoes help protect the collagen you already have. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress in joints and connective tissue. Compared with olive oil, lycopene absorption increases dramatically. This snack supports joint stability, skin elasticity, long-term connective tissue health. It's especially helpful if your joints feel stiff, but not severely painful. Guava Yogurt Power Bowl. Guava is one of the richest vitamin C sources in the world. Vitamin C deficiency can contribute to muscle weakness, joint pain, nerve discomfort when combined with Greek yogurt. You provide protein plus collagen-supporting nutrients. This snack helps your body rebuild from the inside, especially if you've noticed declining strength or endurance. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Kiwi is gentle but powerful. It supports collagen production, digestion, immune function. Better digestion means better nutrient absorption, which is crucial after 60. Many people find kiwi helps them feel lighter, less stiff, and more energized. Pineapple nut bites. Pineapple is especially helpful because it contains bromelain, a natural enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Bromelain helps reduce swelling in tissues, which is important because inflamed tissues can press on nerves and joints, leading to tingling, stiffness, and ongoing discomfort. By calming inflammation, bromelain supports better nerve signaling and smoother joint movement. When pineapple is paired with nuts, the benefit becomes even stronger. Nuts provide healthy fats, magnesium, and protein, all of which help repair nerve tissue, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent energy crashes. Healthy fats also slow down the absorption of pineapple's natural sugars, keeping energy levels steady instead of spiking. Together, pineapple and nuts create a balanced snack that not only fights inflammation, but also supports nerve health, joint comfort, and long-lasting energy, making it especially helpful for adults over 60 who deal with stiffness, numbness, or fatigue. Final wrap-up. You don't need to eat all 8 of these snacks every single day. This is not a race, and it's not about doing everything perfectly. What matters most is consistency. Choose just 1 or 2 snacks that feel easy and enjoyable for you, something you'll actually look forward to eating. When you give your body steady support day after day, it begins to respond. Not overnight, but gradually, quietly, and reliably. That's how healing works after 60. Your body is still incredibly intelligent. It still knows how to repair tissue, calm inflammation, and strengthen joints and nerves. It hasn't forgotten how. It just needs the right raw materials, and food is one of the safest, most natural ways to provide them. You may not notice dramatic changes in a day or two, but over weeks, many people start to feel small shifts, less stiffness in the morning, a little more steadiness when walking, fewer pins and needles in the hands, more confidence getting up from a chair or climbing stairs. Those small changes matter. They add up. And remember, you're not trying to go back to who you were decades ago. You're building a stronger, more supported version of who you are now. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to your body. Every nourishing choice you make is a signal that you care, and your body listens to that signal. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, stay with us here on the channel. We'll continue sharing simple, practical, and natural ways to support your joints, nerves, strength, and mobility as you age. You deserve to move with comfort. You deserve to feel steady and confident. And it's never too late to start supporting your body in the ways it needs most.